guys? Your boy just Natalie Nest Nation. As you said, subscribe follow us about this one. So guys, today I'm doing something big, something crazy, man. I know for some of y'all, it wouldn't be something big for y'all, but for me, it's something big, and I'd say it's a big, it's it's a big achievement for me. So guys, today I'm buying an iPhone 15. Yes, sir. So guys, I've been saving for this for a while too, but it's not a while, but like, yeah, man, you know, man. So yeah, and my mom's gonna be helping me to pay it out. So guys, I just want y'all to like, subscribe, comment, share, and I wouldn't be doing this without y'all, guys. And it's because of y'all. And thank you for your support. And thank you, like, man, yo, guys, thank you so much, guys. I love you all so much. And shout out to you all. Shout out to every one of y'all who's watching the video. So guys, come up with me today. Let's go buy the phone. Danko. Guys, yo, I just finished bathing like right now, nah? So just wanna tidy up my room. Hey, yo, ejo kane hira lang, squasa chava. Let me just show you my cap collection. Yeah, this is my cap collection, Joe and Swara Joe. Guys, I'm just rocking the Guru outfit, man. I hope you can see it, man. It's the the Guru t-shirt, the Guru fam. So yeah, guys. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit the notification bell and get notified whenever I drop. Thank you. Okay, so guys, come with me. Let's go, guys. Don't mind me why I'm so hyper, guys. I'm so excited. Like, hey, guys, I'm so excited. Like, this is a big achievement that you. So man, yeah. So let's go downstairs because my mom is waiting for me, and I'm going to make a big pictures, guys. So let's vibe together. You can't be chatting. Oh shit. So yeah. So like, guys, guys, yo, like I said, Elena. She's been waiting. Guys, I know some of y'all, you don't know my mom, but yeah. Okay, I want to show you that, guys. I just got monta. I also to prepare. So guys, let me show you my old. Gilly. I'm trying out her Louis Vuitton scarf. Is it a scarf or it's a tuku? King in Tbilisi. What is this? What do you call this, Pilapi? Just comment. Is the Louis thingy blending in with my fit or what? You know, is it blending in or what? Just tell me, man. Let me just show you all, guys. Yeah. So, guys, this is my. Bro, do we look alike? I think that we look alike. Do you look alike?
No, we don't.
Guys, do we look alike?
Mama, Uncle, we don't look alike.
Look at the cam, we do. My mom's room. Hey, bro, she's taking hours, but now you're done. Ejo, come say hi to my people. Come say hi. She got a MacBook, not an iPad. Bro, she got a MacBook, so that's why I'm getting an iPhone. Oh, you fine? Always. But there's no problem, boy. You guys, I got my phone. Now. Like, just wanna say thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Yeah, guys, I got my phone. So yeah, we're gonna do an unboxing. We're gonna unbox when I get home. So we're gonna do an unboxing when I get home, guys. So yeah, so like, just wait for that. Yeah. I'm also excited. I also wanna see it, but like just gonna have to wait till I get home. You get me, chat. Get me. One is mine, then one is my brother's. So like very home. Guys, like I've been waiting for this moment. I've been waiting to get this phone, but I finally got it, man. It's a 15, like from an XS to a 15. Man, that's a huge upgrade, man. Like that's a huge upgrade. So like, yeah, just gonna have to delete it. I don't know for the next how many years. Yeah, we'll see, man. Okay? I'm not sure. Nuggets of value. It's about value. But like, yeah, guys. So we got them. So super excited for them. Yeah. Oh, guys, we're also looking for a charger for the MacBook. So like, yeah, my sister, I don't know, she broke a charger, whatever, for the MacBook. So we need to look for a new charger. So we can't find it, guys. So just gonna have to check it in Push Crusaders for a charger. Guys, Carbon Bros. Yo, Carbon Bros. It's the ghostly level. So I'm finally home, and my baby is here. You see, my baby is here. 15. My baby is here. So let's do a proper unboxing to get. I'm gonna open the phone. Oh, fuck, I forgot. The seal. Yo, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Yo, guys. Oh, damn. Yo. Guys. Yo. Bro. Nigga, what? Nigga. Damn. Bro. I need to go buy a guys. Oh. So guys, I'm done unboxing the phone.